Welcome! This is a review of a stereoscopic microscope selected from TME's offer NB-XT5C by NEWBRAND. This stereo dissecting microscope comes with a forward head, pillar stand and both incident and transmitted light. It allows you to view all the little things, including electronics and other objects like plants, rocks, stamps or jewels. The components of the set, apart from the main device, are microscope cover, inspection plate for observation in reflected light, special keys for fixing the inspection plate and for macrometer screw, also spare bulb and a fuse. How to use this microscope? Step 1. Plug in the power adapter to power your microscope lights on and off. The switch, marked with one line, powers the bottom light of the microscope. The switch marked with two lines powers the top light. The black cone-shaped piece at the bottom of the device is the objective. This model has a 2x and 4x objective. To change between objectives, simply turn the objective clockwise or counterclockwise. You can adjust the interpupillary distance by moving the ocular parts outward and inward. Included are eye guards that you can easily slide onto your eyepieces. The left eyepiece is also adjustable for focusing. If using a camera, you may want to use this ocular part. There are two focusing knobs that allow you to move the head of the microscope up and down. Use those to get your object in focus. If your microscope head is falling or it is too tight to move, use the tension wrench tool to tighten or loosen the tension knob on the left side. To remove your eyepieces, simply remove the screws located beneath the ocular tubes. Now, when the screws are removed, you can easily switch out your eyepieces for different ones. To change your base plate, move the stage chips to the side. Then, simply remove the current base plate and replace it with the other one. The other base plate is black on the one side and white on the other side. Some objects are seen easier on the white side and some easier on the black side. Protect your microscope from dust and other elements by placing the dust cover on top of it. Make sure your microscope is turned off before placing the cover. Concluding, NB-XT5C by NEWBRAND features wide-field optical glass lenses that transmit light coming through your subject with incredible clarity. Its binocular eyepieces rotate from one side to another, what makes it a great choice not only for laboratories. Choose this unit and you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching.